Okay, Hassan. So today our part is IELTS Cambridge IELTS 13 and test 3 and speaking part 2. So uh, let's start for these sessions. Hassan, I ask you some questions and you also answer this. So describe an interesting discussion you had a part of your work or studies. So in the final exam, they give you a cue card. So I haven't a cue card. Just I ask these questions. Okay. So you should say what the subject of the discussion was, who you discussed the subject with, what opinions were expressed, and explain why you found the discussion interesting. So let's start for gives you your answer. Okay.
Actually, let me tell you, Nahid, I have not prepared for this particular questions. I just prepared for the questions website, and there is no match between the between the questions paper question and the answer paper answer.
Man,
Actually, I am not getting the match.
you don't hesitation it. Okay,
Okay, so
you just attention with me. This question is work or studies. So you describe work which is like freelancing in a website. So it doesn't matter. You just explain it.
okay, so I think you should start the record again because. Uh, uh,
Okay, okay. I can start this in previous time. So
our first question was what the subject of discussion was. Uh, I have made a lot of discussions with lots of people who are actually connected with me for my different in my different work times, and I have made lots of fruitful and valuable discussion with me. But one of the important discussion was when I was learning English with one of my friends, is called Naidul, and our discussion point was how to gain lots of money and how to gain band score in IELTS examinations. So it was my important discussion with him in my studies. Okay.
yes.
So next question, could you tell me?
Who you discuss the subject with, or how often you use the website?
Yeah, I have already told that I discussed with the subject with an idol, and he is one of my friends, and he is also working with me to develop our communication skill to get a brand in IELTS examinations, and we have discussed lots of times with each others and what would be the good process and method or the systems if we follow this, how we will be actually get we'll complete our tasks within 3 months. So I have discussed with my friends.
Okay, then the next question is what opinions were expressed?
Actually, when we are going to discuss some things, lots of opinions comes related with the discussion. So we also actually prefer opinions. We also express our opinions regarding the matters. So if I tell you some specific opinions that was fruitful for both of us is is our first opinions was to um, how to complete our tasks within a short times. What is our systems, and how long will you continue our sessions, and other some opinions that are important actually. Uh,
Okay, and explain why you found the discussion interesting.
There are lots of reasons that I found our discussion interesting because our aim and our motives, our goals are same, and that is why we used to think widely. We think widely speedily, and that is why we found some interesting discussions. And this interesting discussion also help us to come out these tests, wordly tests, Hazel and Basel. So as our motives and our goal is same, so all the time it seems to that whatever we are going to say, it becomes interesting for both of us.
Okay,
It's all about.
that's all for asking my questions. So your answer is very good, and I think which answer is provided in final exam, you get a more band score. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
you asked me this several questions, and also I answering this properly. I'm trying to my level best, but I don't answering these questions with you. Actually, similar to you. Okay.
Yeah, actually, I have not actually get preparations before, and it is totally new. Okay, and I haven't even imagined that I have to speak on it because I have take preparations for 5 minutes for another topic. It was for website, and I have made my mind that I will tell about LinkedIn, but I found in the question paper that this is from important discussions with work or study. So it is totally different conception. So, oh yeah, I have told I know that it was not so much sweet and standard, but I have told, and you have to in this way told. Okay, so this is Hassan Jamil, and I'm going to be instructors for the text 3 part 2, and I will give you some questions, so you have to answer according to the questions. There are some question already written there, and I will ask you question one by one, and you have to give the answer according to the chronological numbers. Okay, so first of all, the question is describe an interesting discussions you had as a part of your work or study. So you may actually get the questions of what you should say, what is the subject of the discussion was.
Okay. I discussed with my friend Saif for a business topic. Okay, so when we are getting into a business or open a new business, then we are discussed about how to create a better conditions for business, how to develop business, and how to improve business, how to getting a more customer from our business site, business website, business space. So it is the discussional part for improving business. Okay, so this is our business topic.
Okay, so who you discuss the subject with?
Okay, already I saying you this is his name is Saif. He's one of my friend, good friend also. So and uh, he's a student of Green University. He also my big friend. We are uh, going on with each other into going to together for getting a business. Okay.
Okay, thank you. So my and explain why you found the discussion interesting.
So, okay, Hassan, thanks for asking these questions. Okay, so when we were in discussions about our business policy, business purpose. So we are discussed about how to improve our business. So first of all, we have first of all we need a business page in Facebook, Instagram. Then we submit our post about our business, like our products. Then then we take photo our photos, some photos. We take some photos our products and submit our page. Then we are marketing for a boosting because Facebook's users, there are many users in Facebook in our country. Is a lot of and huge customers already have already stay there. So that's why we are marketing in Facebook and Instagram for getting more sales and develop our business. So this is this is our express topic is how we develop for more sales and more how we develop our business and getting more customers. Okay, so I also added this I also added this a part of discussions is interesting. So which part is interesting? So I explain this when we are conversation, our customers customers he and me also. Then we have a lot of customers. We have a who's are various mind setup. So when we are convinced there for buying our products, then we uses a lot of conversations. So this was very interesting for us. Okay, so that's all for me.
Okay, thank you for valuable answer. You have actually give all the answer according to the questions, and your expression is right, and your analytic answer is also good. I would say that you'll also get a good brand in IELTS examinations. Is near to the 6 point, and you have chance to improve yourself. And after some times letters of practicing, you will get your 6.5. Now you are in the 6 point standard speaking is going on in your
Thanks for your opinion. So inshallah, I trying my level best for getting improving day by day. Okay.
yeah. So Nahid, our tomorrow's work is part 3, and we will get some preparation, because if we get preparation, then I know that our discussion will be much more interesting and fruitful. But as the lack of times, we are not actually getting enough time to practice on it. Because if we practice on it, actually it will be much more easier to express ourselves. So our next work is part 3, test 4.
Test 3, part 3.
Test 3, sorry, test 3.
Hassan, I think this is enough time have passed. Okay. 7 8 days. Today's already we are 8 days had passed. Okay, you know that. So every day's homeworks we don't complete in our home. So this is a bad effect for our study. This is bad for our study. Okay. So
It
I
is a bad
think
sign. It is a
bad
bad
side
sign.
for our study. So I think just 1 hours or 1 hours you would just practice in your home in any times in or night shift night or any parts of a day, any parts of a day. So I think we must have a practice, but we don't do this. So it's not best for us. Okay.
Yeah. You're right. You're right. So
We
we have
don't
to.
know. I don't know why I don't practice this. I don't know. Please, you knocked me after Maghrib or any times nights when you free, you are you getting free. So please knock me. Just study. Just not a conversation in Zoom. Just study. Just you knock me in night. But I knock you. I knocked you in several times because you don't respond this. Why I don't know. You don't
Actually,
respond.
actually, uh, in my priority start from 3 p.m. and it continues for 6 hours and till 9 p.m. Okay, and then I have to come at my home. Then I have to take the Ashar Salah, and then I have to take the dinner, and I just feel lethargic and just I feel tired, and that is why actually at the 11 p.m. I fall in deep sleep, and I cannot actually open my eyes after the 11 p.m. But
No problem, man.
you can, I know.
I think you came always you come always 9 p.m. Is it time right time always maintain
If
this
I if
always
I
maintain this
connect
time.
with you, if I connect with you, actually my tuition continue till 9 p.m. and then I have to come at my home and take Asha Salah and then take dinners, and it becomes 10 p.m. Okay,
Okay,
and if
actually
you
I asked
and
you, Hassan, is this time is fixed always? This time is
yes,
maintained
yes,
always. You maintain always. Okay. So
yes,
after 10 p.m. or 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. you are free, I think.
yes.
After all rest, after all prayer of Almighty, after dinner, you are rest 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. So this is the time we are selected. These times are for study 1 hour. 1 hour is
Yes.
so every time
Yes.
we just study, man. We don't conversation with us. Just we are connected in messenger within messenger, and then we are study just okay.
Yes. Okay.
Because
I agree with you.
this is our most vital point right now. This is our most vital topic. So when we getting when we are sitting in IELTS and get band score. This is our vision. Okay. So we are totally full effort this. We are totally full effort for this. Okay. So
So go to our next module.
okay.
Like,
I think 3 minutes left in our video. So we are going to our next topic in a new video. Okay.
okay.
Okay, so I disconnect this and you will also join again. Okay, Assalamualaikum.
Okay.